Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you through merging Fortnite accounts. To begin, head over to the Epic Games website and find the article on merging accounts. You can simply search for Merge Epic Game account and you can use Google to locate it. Once you're on the article page, scroll down and click on Contact Us. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Fill in all the details required, including your username, email address, and platform. Describe your requests, such as assistance with merging accounts, and provide usernames of the accounts you want to merge, along with your reasons for doing so. After explaining your request thoroughly, you can also attach any necessary files, such as screenshots, to support your requests. Click on Submit an Email Request. Now wait for their response via email. They usually respond within 2 to 3 business days, so keep an eye on your inbox. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.